Hey everyone, this will just be a quick unboxing here of an open box from Best Buy Google Pixel 8 Pro. I bought this new when it came out last year. I ended up returning it because it was, well, the one I had was having some issues with it. So this was just shy of 600 bucks here in the US. This open box, excellent condition. We'll come back to the phone in just a moment here. It looks a little bit dirty. Hopefully it's not scratched up. Hopefully there's just some nastiness on there. Alright, so we have the adapter right there. We have our, looks like unused cable. We do have the SIM ejector and our paperwork. Not too much exciting stuff in these boxes anymore. Unlike with like the OnePlus 12, we also got a giant charger. So let's go ahead and take a look at our phone here. Try to get a little bit more light on there. And I think it's just a little bit smudged up. Alright, so I took one of these to it. Now it looks actually rather good. Let's see. So just a little bit of smudging up on it. Let's take a look around here. So we do have, of course, we have the big bump here for the cameras. We have power button. Of course, our volume rocker. Maybe dual speakers. I think only one of these is probably going to actually be a speaker though. USB Type C. SIM card slot. So I believe that's 4 to 5G, right? The 5G antenna. And microphone. And the very big camera bump in the back here. Yeah, so like I said, just a very quick unboxing here of an open box, excellent condition, Google Pixel 8 Pro. Yeah, stay tuned for some more videos come on this guy. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time. Goodbye.